Hey y'all, I am so excited about today's video. I won a giveaway probably about a month ago. And I got a full face of Milani products and this super sweet card. I'm not gonna read it to y'all. It made me cry. It was just so sweet. I'm just a very emotional person. I am probably gonna say her name wrong, so I'm like horrible at pronouncing the names. But thank you so much, Velitra. Let me know which way you pronounce it. But she is amazing. She has a channel as well. It's Velartistry, and I am going to link it in the video down below in the description box. It'll be linked somewhere. And she also has a lash boutique, and she sent these. This is what the packaging looks like. And they're so gorgeous. And I'm not gonna put these on today. I'm not good at putting on lashes. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. So I have some other lashes that I got, and I'm gonna start practicing so I can get better before I ruin these. But as soon as I'm able to put these on, I'm gonna take a picture because these are so pretty. They're so pretty. And I don't have a Milani primer. I really need to get one. So I just went ahead and put on my Time Balm face primer from the Balm Cosmetics. She did send this Conceal and Perfect correcting palette, and I absolutely needed one because between stress and this weather, I have been breaking out so bad. I'm super excited about this. Where is my concealer brush? This is a sad, sad day. Okay, let me get another one. I'm just gonna go in with that green. Use another concealer brush. Oh, and by the time I upload this, I will have my first video up on my new channel. I'm doing a channel for motivation, inspiration, just the things I've been through, just giving advice, trying to, just help other people that have been through stuff. I will link that, but it's under Summerville Cain Talk, and I promise you won't want to miss it. For foundation, I'm going in, she sent this as well, the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade 3 Light Beige. And y'all, I cannot say enough about this foundation. Like, it is so full coverage. It is so amazing. Oh, I love it. You can definitely tell that I have lost my tan though. Oh, I forgot she sent this, so I'm gonna use this with my concealer. I'm looking right at it. I am gonna go wet this real quick. It's, the little Maybelline sponge thingy. And I'll be right back. Okay, she also sent this. It's a Fair Delight Conceal Plus Perfect concealer kit. I don't have like a concealer palette, and I've been wanting one. So, let's see. I am gonna go in with this shade right there. And I'm gonna use that for my eyelids. Let me use it underneath my eyes. Put a little bit on my forehead. Then my nose. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with this. Okay, so this feels really hard. Am I doing this wrong? Girl, tell me how I use it. How I use this. I went and wetted it. Am I supposed to like submerge it in water instead? I feel really dumb right now because I have no idea how to use that. I'm just gonna go with my beauty blender because I feel like I'm using that wrong. Don't judge me. So far, I'm really liking this concealer. It's not drying underneath my eyes, which is like the biggest thing for me. So if a concealer doesn't do that, then I automatically love it. But I feel like the coverage is really pretty and it's blending out really nice. I've never used it before, so I'm kind of giving a first impression, but this is not a first impressions video. This is just a full face of Milani video. To set where I just put that concealer, I'm going in with my Milani translucent powder. I already had this. I love this powder. To contour, I'm going in with this Milani Contour and Highlight Cream and Liquid Duo. And this, ow, I just hit my funny bone. It's not funny, don't laugh. Just kidding, I mean, it's not funny. But anyways, this is what it looks like. And I am just going to use my beauty blender to blend that out and make sure I don't bring it down any. And that's blended out really pretty. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's like the perfect ashy type brown. Oh, and she sent this as well. All right, now I don't have a contour or powder contour shade in Milani, so I'm just gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty matte bronzer real quick. I'm just gonna very lightly just kind of go in and set very lightly where I put that cream contour. She did send this Sunlight palette. Look at how gorgeous that is, y'all. Okay, I was gonna try to use that to bronze with, but it's gonna be a little bit too shimmery, so. But I am gonna go in with that and use that for blush. It may kind of get on the bronze a little bit, that's okay. Y'all, do y'all see that? That is so pretty. Okay, now I absolutely love Milani highlighters and I've never tried this shade before. She sent this. This is an Afterglow and that is so stunning. I say so a lot. I'm sorry. I say anyways a lot. I say a lot. It's just how it is. Oh. For eyeshadow, she sent this. I am very excited. I am gonna go in with that color right there and use that to set my shadow, or go ahead and make sure my eyes are good and set. I'm gonna go in with that shade right there and put that in my crease. I love Milani's eyeshadows. If there's any other makeup brands that y'all would like for me to do a full face on, let me know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that shade right there and highlight my brow bone with that. That is really pretty. Right, I'm just gonna kind of pat that together. Next, I'm going in with that shade right there, and I'm gonna pack that on the outer corner. I have hazel eyes, so like purples and violets and stuff are supposed to be what really brings out my eye color. So I was super excited when I saw that these had purple tones, purple shades. I'm gonna go in with that first brush and that very first super light shade just a little bit and just blend it real good. All right, now I'm gonna go in with that shade right there with my finger, and I'm gonna put that on the lid. Ooh, there's glitter in it, and that is so pretty. This is Plum Basics. I don't have a Milani brow product, so I'm gonna do my brows off camera real quick with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Feel. I've absolutely been loving this. I used it in a first impressions video, and I actually haven't stopped using it since, but I will be right back. All right, I am back, and I did not have a Milani eyeliner for my lower waterline, so I just went in with my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. For mascara, I'm going in with this Lash Trifecta. It lengthens, curls, and separates from Milani. I'm very excited. This is what the wand looks like. Ooh, that is definitely keeping my lashes separated, y'all. Ooh, I really like that. I hate it when lashes get clumped up together. Okay, so that definitely added length, and it definitely kept them separated. So if you don't like lashes that clump together and stuff, I highly recommend trying this out. And now she gave me this, or she sent that as well. Thank you so much. She also sent this Milani Stay Put Matte Liquid Liner in Coffee Matte. Now, if you know, or if you've been watching me, you know that I shake super bad. So I'm gonna have to practice using this before I use it on camera because I'm super nervous. I shake so bad, but I'm super excited about using that. And now she also sent this. It's a Milani Eye Tech Bold Liquid Liner. Perfect bold felt tip liquid liner for creating a variety of dramatic wing looks in one stroke application. Now I am also gonna practice this, not on camera. I shake so bad and it's so embarrassing, and I have a scar that comes right here. It starts right here and it comes down right here. So when I get my wing, it's so indented that my wings end up coming out misshaped. Like it's, I don't know if you can see, but it's really, really hard for me. So I'm gonna practice more, and I'm very excited about trying this. She sent 4 lipsticks, or 2 lipsticks and 2 lip glosses. Liquid Lip Color Shines. These are the lipsticks. This is an 11 Fruit Punch. That is so pretty, y'all. That is so pretty. This one is Honey Rose, and if you know me, then you know that this shade is right up my alley, and that's what I'm gonna be putting on today. This is in Passion, and that is so pretty. And then this one is in Seduction. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, and I already had this. It's the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. This stuff smells so good. I absolutely love the way my makeup turned out. I feel like this is a very beautiful, just everyday look. But that is it for today's video. Make sure y'all go check out my video on my new channel. It's gonna be just an introduction video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Toodles.